Good evening, everyone. This is your host, Samara. I'm here at this house of Miss Hayward. Miss Hayward lives here for the last nearly 20 years. So, um, this house was built with thinking that the kids will stay here forever. But now that Miss Hayward is by herself, of course, the son is probably be moving out soon, moving to a place with his girlfriend. So this house is gonna be too big for her. So this is, of course, the formal dining in the formal lounge. Okay, as you can see, it's very big. Okay, guys. So she's planning to downsize. So, friends, if you know anyone who wants to rent or maybe stay here, there's about 6 bedrooms, including the theater room, which can be a bedroom as well. So this is the formal, not the everyday dining. And we are trying to get rid of some of the furnitures here that it's needed to be taken away soon, because as you can see, it's just too much furniture in this house. So this is the kitchen where you can cook. There's a gas cooking, and of course if you want to watch TV, of course this is where you can watch TV when you come home from work. And if you want to in the theater room, we used to have this huge TV, but something happened during a big storm. But you don't need so many TV in the house, you just need one really. So yes, this is the downstairs of the house. In upstairs, if you want to have a look upstairs, you need to go up on that stairway to go upstairs, and we can probably show you the upstairs as well. As you can see, it's a very huge spiral steps to go up, and this is the upstairs of the house. Yes, we'll put the light on so that it's very in. And this is the main bedroom. This is where she sleeps by herself at night. Okay, guys, this is her bedroom, Miss Hayward's bedroom. And of course, there's a walk-in room. There's a huge bathroom with a spa. Yes, don't take this one, because when this is the bathroom, there's a spa bath. Okay, this bathroom is as big as a bedroom, and yes, it's a little bit probably messy with all her things. Okay, so this is this is her bedroom, king size room with all the, yes, and this is her walk-in closet as well, which you can make into a bedroom. That's where all her clothes, her hats, her bags. She makes this into an ironing room because it's just too much. Yes. So this is also another bathroom. It's huge, in separate toilet. Bathroom with separate toilet. And her son, who's staying with her, this is the room. As you can see, it's also very big, but it's a mess at the moment because, as you know, boys. And this is the linen closet. The linen closet, it's huge, okay? You can, in the Philippines, probably when we were young, I can sleep there. You know that? I can make that into a bedroom. And this is another bedroom. It's very good for someone to stay here. Yes, and of course, yes, this is another room, which is big, huge room. This is another bedroom. There's 2 closets here, 1 mirror closet in one. So someone can, that's a king size bed as well. So if you want to stay here, you wanna rent a room, this is the room of where you can stay, which is not far from the airport. 10 minutes drive to the new airport here in Sydney. This is her prayer place. Okay, so as you can see, it has a very high ceiling, 20-foot ceiling from downstairs. Yes, guys, so this is Miss Hayward's place. Goodbye, everyone, and good night. Thank you.